and post login, you will see transfer fund options. From here, we have to enter amount. It's fine, whatever way we are writing, but we have to just add all the each and every screenshots. Are you working on any applications which requires to do account transfer or payment transfer? I mean, if you're struggling to do payment transfer from your net banking account, then you are at the right place. Imagine we have Stuart who is working with a company where he used to check regular transactions or he used to perform regular payment transfer to their client. For one or two transactions, it's fine, but he has to execute same thing again and again, which is demanding for his business. But what if I will tell you that can be automated with very easy step. In this video, I will explain you how to perform payment transfer with the help of AI based tool, which is testRigor AI powered tool helping you to do all your manual activities by just plain English language. If you wanted to learn more about testRigor, feel free to refer my entire testRigor playlist, which will help you to understand each and everything in detail. testRigor is a tool which is helping you to automate your tasks without writing single line of code, where we can generate a script with plain English language. So worry not, be available from start to end of this video just to understand how to do quick payment transfer by using testRigor. For showing this, I'm going to use Parabank, which is dummy sites, which is giving you a platform to do transactions from one account to the other account. I mean, sending a payment from one account to the other. So let's start how we can do it. So to perform these actions, you have to just navigate into testRigor. So let me explain you what needs to be done. First, we have to just log out. Enter your credentials. As of now, I'm using this credential. Click on login and post login, you will see transfer fund options. From here, we have to enter amount and select from account and to account. Once you click on transfer, your payment will be immediately transferred. This is the step which we are going to follow it as per this applications. This might varies from applications to applications, but worry not, that can be also achieved with the help of testRigor. Watching this, you can implement entire thing in your applications. If you have used any time testRigor, share your feedback in comments how you like it. Do you like the products or you have any feedback for testRigors? I will share this feedback with their product team as well. And if you know any other tool which helps you a lot to achieve this task, please comment in the comment sections. Now to begin with this, I'm going to create one test case. This test case name will be fund transfer. Project and all I've already covered in my previous video. So if you wanted to learn how we can create a project and do the end-to-end setup, then feel free to refer my previous videos. And if you like this content, I would appreciate to see your like and comment for this video. This will help me to reach to the other set of people. To start with this, I will just type enter and then username. Whatever username I created for the site, I will add it. But there's other way as well, which you can do it by storing your username and password into test data and we can recall it. I've already covered it. So I don't want to do that part again. So here I'm just straightforward entering my username into username field. because first we have to do login. So this is my username prompt. After that, I wanted to add password. Whatever is the password for the site, we can add it. We'll add into password field. Post this, we have one button. So we'll add click and exactly same button name. We have to write it. There will be a no confusion while trying to replicate exactly same step. So make sure to add exactly same text which is available on website. So let me show you. We have transfer funds or username and password. These all things we have to exactly type same text into this editor. Post this, I want to perform click actions and the text which is printed here, transfer funds. Unless and until I will not click on transfer funds, I won't be able to add amount and do the transfer. Here we'll try to add transfer funds. I wanted to provide the location as well. So my location is this. Here we'll add account services. After this, enter some amount. In the amount field, I wanted to add this 300 as a transfer amount. I will include 300 here and then add the location. So my location is amount and post this. I prefer to click on transfer because that's the text available in this. Even if it is lowercase, camel case or uppercase, but make sure to exactly write same alphabet. I mean lowercase, uppercase or camel case, the case sensitivity is not required, but we have to add exactly same name, whatever it's mentioned. It's not a case sensitive case. It's fine, whatever way we are writing, but we have to just add all the English text which is available on that button. We'll click on add and run, and this starts executing the process where magic comes in. Without doing or without adding any single line code, this automations will start executing and we will see amount will be transferred successfully to other account. Here each and every screenshots has been captured where we are trying to enter the amount, account name. You can see here 300. Then the amount transaction is successfully done, which we can see into the screenshots. So that's how quickly we can build this automations with the help of AI powered solution, which is testRigor. If you think through any other use cases, please add in the comment sections. I will try to create video on that use case. If you have any suggestions, feedback about the products, about the video, feel free to add in the comment sections. And I would like to know what is the best use case you wanted to try it out by using testRigor. That's all from this video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you think so this will be useful, don't forget to share within your circle. Thank you for watching.